M5798. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day. I am JC Angulwan, 39 years old, blessed with two children and a happy single mom for 14 years.
You have two children, right?
Yes,
How old the children you have?
I have 17 years old daughter and a 15-year-old boy.
Okay, and your highest educational attainment?
My educational achievement is I am a third year undergrad of I took a Bachelor of Arts major in political science
Okay, and your religion?
and I am a Catholic.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I have two experiences as a helper. One in UAE. My main uh, duties there are to tutor the kids and doing the household chores. And
Okay, and also you have another experience, but here in the Philippines, right?
yes,
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper in the
as
Philippines.
a helper here in the Philippines, I serve uh, four members of the family, including the two adults and two kids.
Okay, and other household chores that you do?
I do the general household chores. My main duty is to tutor the kids, taking good care of the kids.
Okay. Since you have an experience taking care of a newborn, which is 1 year old baby, right? So you have an experience taking care of a newborn, so you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn.
Yes,
Okay. Do you have an idea how to
yes,
prepare?
I have
Okay.
an idea.
Okay. What will you do if the newborn is crying?
I will carry the baby and check the temperature, check the if he's hungry,
Okay.
and change the diapers, of course.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the diaper, you also check the tummy and you also check the temperature. Everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work. What will you do?
Maybe I will call the parents, of course, to ask if what will I do because the baby is still crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is a happy place to live with, and of course the high salary, and the people there are very accommodating and hospitable.
Hospitable. Okay, so you want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is the safest country to work with. Because Hong Kong national is follow the law of their country.
Yes.
That's why Hong Kong is the safest country to work with. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me to stay, then I will stay with them.
Okay, so it is okay to you to extended your contract.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Yes, of course. Maybe I will watch YouTube and buy some Chinese recipe book.
Okay, you will buy some Chinese recipe books. And also, if your employer have a time to prepare foods for themselves, you could also,
Learn from them.
okay, you could also learn from them because you could help them how do they prepare so that you could learn, right? Okay, it is okay to you to share jobs with a helper,
Yes.
share room with kids.
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday set up by your employer.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets,
Yes.
taking care of elderly?
Yes.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes.
How about learning Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English? It is
Yes,
okay
we
to
need
you.
to learn.
Okay. My last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
Hi, dear future employers. I hope you will hire me as your helper because I am trustworthy, diligent, and willing to learn more from you and can work independently.
Okay. Can you promise also to be honest?
Yes, of course.
Okay, and also follow the rules and regulations of their
Yes.
house.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss
Thank
JC.
you for watching my video.
Okay, thank you very much.